hair is from Eayon. So inside the box came the hair. This is the hair. I do have the 24-inch body wave hair, but this is the construction of the unit. This is a comb here, it's a comb here, it's a comb here. And it's not a full lace wig. As you guys can see, this section is the only thing you're able to work with as far as like parting. It does have a comb at the nape and drawstrings as well. Alright guys, so this is what the unit looks like on directly out of the package. No alterations. It does look slightly tinted, but I am going to put foundation on it just to make sure it just blends 100% in with, I'm gonna put my chair down some, 100% with my skin tone. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and detangle this hair. Like I said, I was getting a little bit of tangling. I don't know what that was about. Alright y'all, so this is what the lace looks like once I have applied the foundation to it. It looks bomb.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and we're gonna get to laying her down. I'm using the bedhead hairspray and I'm using this to lay down my unit.
Alright guys, so I have to switch over to a voiceover for this portion, but I'm going to continue to lay down my lace using this amazing hairspray that I did tell you guys about. I will leave a link in this video to that video if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial or review on this product. I'm telling you guys, this product is ish, and you will never go back to 𝚘𝚘𝚒 if you guys use this. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this because it's my everyday how I lay my lace. So yeah, it's not really much to explain because it's the same steps that I use in every video. So yeah. Alright, so I did go ahead and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and this is what she is looking like. She is looking bomb.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my BioSilk and get ready to prep for straightening out the roots. Now, if you guys are into thick density units, well, let me just say thick units, this unit is it. Okay, it's very thick in density and would help if you guys go for a more voluminous, I think that's how you say it, if you're going for a more dramatic look. So like I said, the lace does come pre-plucked, but if you want to get it into it a little bit more, you do have the option to do that. It looks fine right here, but when I do create the baby hairs, I noticed that I do really need to go in and pluck it. But for the style that I ended up going with, it didn't look that bad. But like I said, this unit is great in density. So if you guys like that big poofy, you know, volume hair, this unit would be definitely great for you. Don't forget to check all the information in regards to this unit. I'm not sure what the density is on this unit offhand, but it will be down in the description section below. So we're going to go ahead and do our baby hairs. I have been using the mousse technique so far, and I just started it in my last video, and I noticed that it does coincide with the bed head. Now, I don't press hard onto the lace because if I do press hard into the lace, it's going to lift the lace, and like I said, it's going to defeat the purpose. You just have to be really light-handed when using the mousse. But mousse really does work with the got2b glue gel as well, and it just works with this product, the bed head product as well. You just can't push the product into the lace too much. You don't need a lot. Just use a very light hand. I'm telling you guys, the baby hairs will swoop. Now, working on a different method for my baby hairs, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. I wanted a more lighter effect when it comes to my baby hairs. I don't like that hard look anymore where it just looks like it's glued down to my head. It's not natural, and you just grow out of things. So I'm also going in and making my baby hair smaller. I don't know if you guys realized in the the past, I used to have my baby hairs real long to swoop them, but now I like them a little bit more shorter. So I'm gonna be practicing in each of my videos with my baby hairs, so you guys gonna have to, you know, just bear with me. I'm learning different techniques and things, and you just guys are gonna have to, you know, come along on the journey, because this is a new journey. So I'm just using mousse to lay down my edges, like I said before, and it's just the Silk Elements curl mousse, but I do want to get some regular mousse in the future, because this is for like curly hair, but you guys get my drift. It still helps in, you know, molding the baby hairs. Now also you can comb the baby hairs out once they do dry, because they will, you know, be laid down to your head stuck as well, but it won't be as hard as a look if you just use hairspray like I've been using in the past. So you can comb them out and they still will lay in a position, as I'm going to show you here. That's what I go back and do, comb the baby hairs out so they can look more softer and just a little bit more realisticer. Now here you guys can see where I said I need to go ahead and plug into the unit just a little bit more, because it doesn't look that natural. But I'm wearing it in the middle part, so you're not going to really see it. But still, even with the middle part, I felt like I could have went into the unit and, you know, actually plucked it a little bit more. So it is options, okay? So I did take my wax stick and go ahead and create a part using that. Now, like I said, the density is so great on this unit, you really couldn't see the part. So I used concealer, but again, I still can't see the part. So you do want to make sure, if you're trying to create a part, use a lot of concealer, 1, if you're not good at plucking, or 2, just go in and pluck into the unit just a little bit where the parting area is at. Now I'm just going to do some curls. Like I said, the hair did already come with its own curls. But I just wanted to revive them, just all have them going in one direction, because I'm not a fan of curls going all over the place. I just like them going away from my face. And then I sprayed it while it was hot with my 𝚘𝚘 Garnier hairspray, so it would stay in place all day until I'm ready to take off this unit. So I'm just going to go over the unit and the details so far. Like I said, I really enjoyed working with this unit. The only thing I did have problems with was with the tangling in the beginning. Once I started working with the hair and actually detangled it, I no longer had that issue. But like I said, I think it just needed to be detangled. Now I did have shedding, minimum shedding. I only got shedding once I started cutting into the unit. Otherwise than that, I haven't had any problems. Now I haven't washed the unit or anything like that. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. So this is just what you're getting, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to comment, rate, like, and subscribe. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. And don't forget to check out the description section for all information in regards to the hair. Alright guys, bye.